Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can create your window for any game using pygame. So yeah, let's get started. In order to create game using pygame library, you have to first of all import that. Then what you are gonna do is initialize all of the modules in pygame. The code for that is pygame.init. Okay, it start all of the modules which is available in pygame. uh, then to create a window, like this is a window, uh, a moving window in which you are gonna play the game. uh, let's call it game window equals to pygame dot display dot set mode, and it takes only one parameter, so we are giving a tuple. The first one is width and the second one is height of the window. Okay, it's a tuple and one parameter. You can give 600 500, it will cause an error. So let's make a tuple here. Then the name of the window, it called caption in pygame. So to set that, the code is pygame dot display dot set caption, and in here the name like game or first game or whatever you want to give the name to that window. Then what we need is a clock that can run this our game frame by frame. We don't the clock runs it so smoothly. Clock equals to pygame dot time dot clock, and don't forget to make C capital. Then we are creating a loop in which the player will play the game. So if the player is playing, like now playing is equals to true, and if he is playing while playing means while true. Here we write the whole game's code. We will use the time and will update the display over here. The player will not play the game forever, so if you want to stop it when it hits the X button, close button, uh, for that we write a code for event in pygame dot event dot get. It has the all of the events that we done on this 600 500 width and heights window. If we move our mouse, it create a event. If we click somewhere or press any buttons, it it is a event. Okay, so whatever the event is, it will go in this for loop every time. And if the event type is equals to pygame dot quit, if the type is quit means if the player touch the button X, then what then playing equals to false. Playing equals to false, the loop will stop here. And every time print event, so we can see what we are doing. Then we have to update our display. Pygame.display with pygame.display.update, it will update the whole game or the window every time. Then at the last you have to give the FPS for which we created the clock. So clock dot tick, and the frames per second you want to give like 120 or 30 or whatever. Let's give it 60. Okay, then pygame dot quit, and then quit. It will end the pygame window and it will end the ideally. Let's run this program. Okay, pygame is not attributed in it. Sorry, it is not in it, it is in it. Okay, the code is working. When I'm moving my mouse in this screen, it is creating events. When I click, it is creating events for that. And the first game is the name. This is 500 and 600 window. When I press buttons, it is also count. Key 97. Okay, basically this is our window when we are going to create our game. And if I close this, wait, something is wrong, wait a second. If the event dot type double equals to pygame dot create, sorry, playing equals to false. Okay, if you want to kill the program because we write a quit here, so it will ask us. Okay, if we can also remove this, it's not necessary. Okay, the event was quit and the window is closed. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching till the end.